During the summer of last year, we had a lovely couple come from Belgium, Dirk and Els, and every morning they had scrambled egg with cheese. So this is my scrambled egg with cheese. I've had 2 eggs and I've whisked them up in a jug with salt and pepper. I've put them in the pan and cooked them till they're nearly done, and then I've added a grated cheese. I'm going to just pop another blob of butter in, mix it up, and serve it on hot buttered toast. And as Dirk and Els used to call it, cheesy Eggs Moffat.